Why love one but eat the other? That's my message for you, Rally Link 14. For those of you who don't know, Rally Link 14 is somebody here on YouTube who pretends that she's vegan, but she's not. Who the fuck does that? Who pretends that they're vegan, but they pay people to murder animals for them? Rally Link 14 does. Yeah. Also, she does these long videos pretending to have done some research. And in fact, when you look at what she's done, the articles that she is referring to are simply just blog posts, zero science involved. Rally Link 14, why are you an animal abuser? What part of this do you not understand? Here's another one for you. Why love one but eat the other? Why, Rally Link 14? You say that you love horses, but do you really? Because apparently you pay people to murder animals and you feed them to your dogs. What kind of animals do you feed your dogs exactly? Horses? Do you pay people to murder horses and give those in a bowl, cut up, full of blood for your dogs, Rally? It's fucked up. To call yourself a vegan is really seriously messed up. Here's another one. Why love one but eat the other? Why, Rally Link 14? What is the difference? Here's a dog, here's a cow. What right do you think that you have to pay somebody to murder this animal and feed it to this one, as opposed to the opposite way around? There's no excuse for animal abuse, Rally Link 14. Now today is my 5-year vegan anniversary. That's 5 years. That means that I don't pay people to take a knife and to slit the throat of animals. How the fuck can you say that you are vegan if you pay people to do this, Rally? You say you love horses, but how exactly are these animals killed that you say are humanely raised? And what stops you, if you don't do it, from killing horses? How are horses more important than any of these animals? Rally, these animals don't deserve to die. Neither do these. And neither do these. It's been proven by science that animals, like dogs, can be 100% healthy eating vegan foods. My dog Bella has been vegan for almost 4 years, and she is perfectly fine. And for you to accuse me of being an animal abuser, it's quite the joke, isn't it? How do you sleep at night? Exactly how do you sleep at night? I mean, I literally keep my money in my pockets when I'm around people who have knives near animals. You do the opposite. Who's the animal abuser? You are. Yeah. When are you going to stop? Not anytime soon, are you? Apparently, I'm one of the people that you hate the most in this world. You know why? Because you know that I see you. You hate that. Stop being an animal abuser and be vegan from now on.